Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lewis here with Crypto Elite, and I just came across a very interesting project that I want to go over today in today's video just to share with you what it's about and, learn a little bit more about it myself. This is a project that I am investing into, and so I wanted to share it with you guys and maybe see what you would think about it. Maybe if you want to invest. Of course, this is not investment advice. This is just something that I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, and this is part of my research. So hopefully it could help you out. As you can see, the coin in question or the company in question is Unido, and it is an enterprise platform for decentralized capital markets, and it is powered by Polkadot. If you don't know by now, I do love Polkadot. It's amazing. We've done like 5x in Polkadot so far. So anything built on Polkadot, I'm a big fan of. I like this. I like this page. Very, very simple. Just enterprise platform for decentralized capital markets. Straight to the point, easy to understand, powered by Polkadot. That itself is social proof right there. It doesn't even necessarily need to be, but I think people see powered by Polkadot and they really like that. So anyway, this is pretty cool. Above the fold, this is what it looks like on full screen. I guess these are the enterprises. This is Unido, and Unido takes care of, it looks like it takes care of privacy, data transfers, and communication, and it does take care of that with third-party apps. So you could hook it up to all these third-party apps that help enterprises use decentralized finance. So anyway, let's keep on going. Crypto native enterprises and asset management firms often struggle to access decentralized finance and manage their crypto assets effectively due to severe limitations in security, governance, and accessibility. This is very true. Crypto native enterprises and asset management firms, they struggle to access decentralized finance because decentralized finance is something that big institutions and enterprises, they're sort of not scared of, but there's just not enough information. There hasn't been enough foundation built upon the decentralized finance world yet, in order to really get them on board. And so there, is limitations in security and accessibility and other things. So Unido addresses those issues, and it enables enterprises to securely access DeFi opportunities and seamlessly manage their crypto banking operations. So that sounds good to me. It's addressing a problem. It addresses a legitimate problem for enterprises. So Unido Enterprise Platform, enabling enterprises to manage and invest their crypto assets in a seamless, secure, and intuitive way. Unido is already developed and has active pilots with a number of digital banks. So apparently the platform is already here, and a lot of digital banks, or a couple digital banks, are already using it. So that's pretty cool. I like how they made the Mac orange. Oh, they should do that with Macs, don't you think? They should. You should be able to buy Macs in different colors. That would be pretty cool. Anyway, features. Centralized dashboard. So an intuitive central dashboard providing access to a suite of DeFi and crypto banking management tools. That's good. DeFi Vault, multi-signature enterprise wallet that acts as a DeFi vault to store, manage, and invest crypto assets into an array of leading networks such as Uniswap, Balancer, and Yearn Finance. And then crypto banking, business banking portal, enabling enterprises to seamlessly manage their day-to-day operations and capital expenditure. Features include crypto payments, wallet management, and governance customization. So basically, at this point, a lot of things are happening with cryptocurrency payments. You could even pay your taxes with crypto in a few states. And of course, digital banking operations are popping up. I believe Kraken is now a legal digital bank in Wisconsin or something like that, or Wyoming. So this digital banking is an up and coming thing, and enterprises are definitely going to need a place, like a centralized place where they could go in and understand and see a full view of their DeFi and crypto that they're in, basically, and the different yield yearning places, DeFi projects that they're using. So anyway, that looks good to me. Business banking portal. yeah, they can, if they can manage it, they're going to need this, like if DeFi becomes the biggest thing. So sure, this might actually be, this is so early. I just like, this is really really early. This is like years down the line. Like if this is something that I could see, if this blows up, it could be amazing. It could be something akin to how DocuSign or HelloSign, they're legal documents that enterprises need and people need, online on the internet. And then HelloSign, DocuSign, all that stuff, like they went through the roof, especially as the pandemic, came and more companies were doing signatures online, things like that. This is something that is sort of like the original platform for enterprises to enter the DeFi space. That's what it seems to me. So Unido Core. Unido products are underpinned by Unido Core, a proprietary key management and transaction signing technology developed by the PAC in 2017 that provides flexible governance, security, and interoperability. Okay, that's pretty cool. So all of the products that Unido has are underpinned by the Unido Core. Property key management, transaction sign, yeah. So it's basically a blockchain that handles all of these different things, like governance, security, and interoperability. Then there's the Unido ecosystem. So we are unlocking the Unido core technology via an API to enable third-party developers, partners, and enterprises to leverage enterprise-grade security, customizable governance, and interoperability available for any dApp. This is just off the top of my head, it reminds me of Zap or Zapier, which lets people integrate via API to different ecosystems. Like it looks like Unido will allow people to be interoperable for any dApp via API. That's what it reminds me of. Ecosystem adoption. Unido expects third-party dApps to augment the majority of the network over the next 3 years by building on top of Unido Core. By building on top of Unido Core, does this mean that the dApps need to be built on Unido? Because that's like asking a lot. We are committed to supporting the ecosystem growth by creating an ecosystem development fund to subsidize projects. Okay, so that's cool. You get a fund like that. I like that. It's like a startup fund or something. Then you create a DAO, DAO to oversee EDF, to oversee the funds, resource deployment, and ecosystem development. Sure, I mean, you could do that. And then integrating the UDO token to capture value across all products, leveraging Unido core technology. So the UDO token will capture the value across all of the different products that are leveraging so they have the technology. The thing that they're selling is this UDO core technology, right? Roadmap. So identified the crypto custodial problem, developed multi-sig Ether wallet, which evolved into Unido. 2018, Unido pilot was completed. Unido wallet international patent lodged. 2019, Unido enterprise platform development commenced. Raised equity capital, so they raised a bunch of capital in 2019. 2020, this should be white because we're in 2021 now, but Unido EP pilot program, startup, banks, and custodial service. And then this year, they'll have the token generation event, followed by Unido DeFi interface launch. So they'll launch their decentralized finance interface, marketing and community. Then they'll start promoting everything in June. So it's a few months away. September, Unido core infrastructure development and proof of concept. Then in December, first ecosystem grant released to support community development. So this is sort of like, quite a ways away here. Then finally, in 2022, Unido wallet app for retail rolled out across target markets across Asia. Finally, launch intensive marketing activity focused on developer ecosystem growth, and then large-scale Unido EP integration with international institutions to expand reach across global markets. And finally, hyperscaling Unido core to 10+ enterprise use cases. So that's definitely a lot. And they're really giving themselves quite a lot of time because isn't this enterprise use cases the enterprise platform for decentralized capital markets? Yeah, isn't like that the purpose of Unido, like to do that? Says it's going to do it in 2023. So I don't know. We'll see. Why Unido? A proprietary patented technology. Well, that's good. That's, I like this because this reminds me of like how Quant Network has their patented technology, and I like anything that has patented technology. Token powered ecosystem ensuring value capture. Um, okay, so that's how the Unido token gets done. Established product with existing client base and hyper scalable and interoperability technology, which you need, and first mover advantage. Very, very important first mover advantage. Here's some team: chief executive officer and founder. Let's check it out. So Pack Blockchain. So this is Chris Weddle. He's the Pack Blockchain and Cordo founder at Pack Blockchain and Digital Advisory from Australia. Over 22 years in information technology with exposure to networking and data center operations, large-scale digital transformation projects, managing software implementation projects, and advising corporations on their strategic digital pathway. A specialist who is immersed and informed of new technologies and develops strategies for implementation. Experienced at World Web, saw the creation of Quanta CMS, an e-commerce platform which processes more than $25 million annually. The success of this technology inspired and ultimately resulted in the founding of Accordo and Pack Blockchain. So Pack Blockchain, that's cool. It's pretty good. Graduated from Flinders University in management, had a bachelor's of science, technology, information science. Click on the Pack blockchain. Pack is an Australian-based blockchain developer and full-service ICO advisory. Our team consists of consultants, business analysts, and developers for blockchain. Whether you're looking to conduct an initial coin offering or build a new distributed application founded on blockchain technology, Pack has the team and demonstrated experience to provide rapid results for your organization. So, cool. Moving on to Tahir Alam. He's the digital advisory, finance transformation, smart automation, and data-driven insights. This is another founder, and he's passionate, multilingual, results-oriented strategy, finance, and business transformation professional with over 2 decades of expertise in commercial and tech advisory, problem solver, and continuous learner with an ability to programmatically join the dots and decompose complexity to deliver increased value, reduce cost, and serve rapid ROI through intelligent automation and insightful data-driven decisions. All right, whoever wrote this needs to maybe not write so much. Just make it into more sentences, shorter sentences. Anyway, domain experience across insurance, consulting, FMCG, manufacturing, medical device, healthcare, insurance, retail, SaaS. This guy freaking does it all, basically. Proven track record delivering measurable capabilities and effectiveness across multi-unit operations in Australia, Hong Kong, Asia Pac, UAE, and Africa through business-based development, project management, control, governance, and sustainable efficiencies. So this guy can create the processes and strategy behind the coin, behind the whole entire project. He's clearly this guy might be a genius. Okay, so this guy I'm very impressed with. I'm very impressed with him. The next guy is Michael Swann. Oh, wow, look at this. Vice President and Executive Director at Goldman Sachs. Open this up. I'm a seasoned expert in applying technical analysis and sound judgment to each situation or opportunity I'm presented, whilst always remaining commercially focused to achieve the overarching strategic goals of my employer. I currently apply these skills and my substantial industry experience in investment banking and funds management when solving complex situations in the day-to-day operations of the investment banking division and merchant banking divisions of Goldman Sachs. So this guy got the connections. So the other guy got the dream. The first guy got the dream. The second guy got the know-how and the tech skills, and this guy got the connections. That's basically what I'm getting. Due to the partnership and political nature of the firm, effective stockholder management is critical to ensuring the most desirable commercial outcome on each corporate transaction opportunity presented to the firm. I am a trusted advisor to bankers in my various markets, predominantly dealing at the MD and partner level. Oh, wow. Okay, very good. He also co-founded a document control software company focused on the natural resources sector. And if you scroll down, you can see he's been at Goldman for 8 years, nearly 9 years now. Pretty amazing. So, okay, so very, very impressed with the good team, big names, lots of names. There's also Ben. I guess I'll take a quick look at Ben and Kevin. Okay, so with Ben, if you go down, he was the chief marketing officer at PAC, so he's been in the blockchain space for quite a while as a marketer, which is great because it's not like you get someone else who doesn't know what he's doing. You got Ben in there. And finally, we have Kevin, dynamic C-level executive with proven results over 25 years in the FMCG and F&B industries across emerging and mature markets, as well as startups. Successfully transformed single-brand domestic businesses into multi-brand international leaders, positively disrupting industries along the way. So, wow. If this guy says that, we turn F&B dreams into a reality via memorable experiences and superior returns, Ground Control is an advisory business for airports, stadiums, and brands. Green Forest sells, markets, and distributes 100% natural, eco-friendly rice straws, giving customers choice, improving sales, and leaving no waste to future generations. Sounds freaking good to me. So, CEO of Ground Control Global, so he has his own... well, that's what he does. He does this. So, he used to work at Coca-Cola as well for 8 years. Wow. Leadership positions across finance, sales, supply chain. So he knows a lot. This guy, masterful team. All right, let me exit out of this. What a good team. This is a big thing. Product implementation. So then you have these people for their product and the application development. And yeah, that's where we have it right here. Let's check out their Twitter and this right here, their Medium. So no stories on Medium and only 2 followers on Medium. So Medium, not really that big. Twitter joined January 2021. This is a brand new project, literally brand new project, just coming out of the world. This is probably the first video that's ever going to be made on it, to be honest. So I'm making this right now, and I'm going to put this out. As soon as it becomes available, I guess. So this is Unido EP. I'm going to give it a follow. Only 90 followers right now. Only 90 followers, but this will be big. So very cool. Check out the white paper, of course. Let me just see this right here. Partners. Let's look at the partners. See if they have any partners going on right now. Let's give it a second. So, oh, I see. This is okay. So yeah, this is just like it scrolls down to. Is this a one pager? I feel like, yeah, this has to be a one pager. Yeah. And then, yeah. Okay, so they have basically they have a one pager. Makes it simple. I mean, if you don't need more than a one pager, there's no point. To access the white paper. Do you need access to get the white paper? Okay, so I guess you need access for the white paper. So anyway, this is Unido. First look at Unido. Seems pretty good to me. Seems like I love enterprise solutions, especially into DeFi. It's a first mover. So We're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens, and hopefully this thing blows up and does really, really well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.